disrupted Uzbekistan-imported electricity transmission circuit to be reconnected and restored shortly. With the onset of Tuesday and following relative improvement in weather and climate conditions in northern Salang region, high-voltage technical teams of the Afghanistan has successfully delivered required technical equipment to the site and immediately began relevant repair works. Officials from our high-voltage department assures that if the current favorable weather and climate conditions continue, the disrupted Uzbekistan-imported electricity transmission circuit will be reconnected very soon and restored to normal operation.
We are making every possible effort and working continuously to the every limit of our capacity. The work is ongoing, and even if it continues until 8 or 9 o'clock at night, we will keep working. However, if we are unable to complete it today, inshallah we will complete it tomorrow, shortly if the weather stays same.
High voltage personnel are striving to make effective use of all available technical and human resources capacities to ensure the stability of country's electricity supply. However, it should also be noted that favorable climate conditions and weather in Salang areas cannot be guaranteed on a continuous basis. If any moment severe storms may occur, potentially disrupting operation and significantly limiting the capacity of ongoing operations.
If it is within our control and capacity, we are making every effort to reconnect the electricity at the earliest possible time. By the grace of God, after 3 days the sky is sunny today. As you can see, the work is underway.
The Afghanistan reassures the public that it will spare no effort to resolve the current issue. Our goal is to resolve electricity supply as soon as possible to the capital Kabul, 12 provinces, and ensure the resumption of stable and reliable power services to the public.